Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road just off the Trans-Canada Highway in Duncan, BC, in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2018 F-150 Lariat in the color Magma. With a black leather interior and seating for 5, this 4-door pickup has a 5.5-foot box and a 5-liter V8 4x4 engine, as well as an FX4 off-road package, a Lariat Sport package, a technology package, and a trailer tow package. It's easy to get into this truck. Just talk to our sales team. They'll be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered locks, windows, and mirrors. Your side view mirrors can power fold, and there's memory settings for 3 separate drivers. Driver also enjoys a powered seat with lumbar support. Off to the side there you have your LED side view mirror spotlights, lighting controls, dash lights, power pedals, and your electronic parking brake. Your steering wheel can power tilt and telescope. On the face of your steering wheel, you have dash controls, cruise controls, sync voice activated system, and media controls with volume. This is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and start, and push the start button. Up above in the dash is where you'll see any important messages. There's also a menu you can toggle through: My View, Trip/Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, Settings, and these all have submenus. Off to the side there, just above, you have a little storage bin, as well as your B&O stereo speaker sound system. Below that, auto start-stop, front camera, hazard lights, traction control, and hill descent. Below that is your touchscreen media display center. Click over into audio, up into sources. You have AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, CD, and Bluetooth. You can click over into climate for settings such as your heated steering wheel in the top left there. You also have navigation. Click over into settings, slide across for settings such as your Wi-Fi hotspot. It's also where you'll see your rear backup camera view when going in reverse. Below that you have your volume and tuner, as well as your CD player. You have dual climate control with AC and max AC, as well as front and rear defrost. Both driver and passenger enjoy heated and cooled seats. Below that's a little storage bin with 2 USB outlets. Off to the side you have your 4x4 with locking differential, pro trailer backup, and your integrated trailer brake controller. Automatic select shifter, and on the bottom there you have drive mode. Give that a press, it'll be shown up above on the dash. Normal, tow haul, snow/wet, eco, sport, and background again to normal. Couple of cup holders there, park assist, and lane keeping is just there. And in your armrest there is a clip on the end there. Press that. There's plenty of room in there, as well as that removable bin. You also have a 12-volt outlet. Off to the side, another 12-volt outlet, as well as a 110-volt outlet. Locking glove compartment just there. Up above, auto dimming rear view mirror, power sliding rear window, universal garage door opener, sunglasses holder, lighting controls, and when you're ready to open up that sunroof, simply click to let in some light and air. 20-inch wheels, mud flaps, power deployed running boards, body colored door handles with intelligent access, keyless entry keypad, driver's side capless easy fuel gas filler, power sliding rear window. That body-colored handle extends to the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable. Just below that handle is your backup camera. On the bumper you have sensors. You also have a 4 and 7 pin connector, a trailer tow hitch, and a locking spare tire. When you're ready to open up that tailgate, you can use the handle, or you can double click your key fob, and it will open for you. You'll notice the inside's nicely lined, and there's also tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. There's also a tailgate step to make it easier to get in, and your key fob has remote start. Storage cup holder and speaker in the door, as well as powered windows. The rear seat has seating for 3 and a 60-40 split. When you're ready to access that cargo area, simply put your hand underneath the seat and push up to enlarge the cargo space. When you're ready to put that seat back down in its original position, simply take your hand on that clip there and pull, and the seat will fall back down in its original position. At the base of the seat are anchors for baby seats. In the center, an armrest with a couple of cup holders. On the floor, carpeted mats. Behind the front seat, slim pockets. In the center there, some more cup holders, a 12-volt outlet, rear heated seats, USB, and a 110-volt outlet. Grab panels in the body to make it easier to get in. Power sliding rear window, and up above, lighting, hooks, and that dual moonroof. Body colored bumper, mud flaps, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass, window vents, heated and powered side view mirrors with blind spot information system, rock shield hood, front tow hooks, front camera, LED headlights, halogen fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.